Redmi Watch 6's classic black model uses a matching black frame and strap, making it suitable for both casual and formal settings. The Redmi Watch 6 is equipped with a 2.07-inch AMOLED display with ultra-narrow 2mm symmetrical bezels, providing a near edge-to-edge viewing experience. Xiaomi has used a high-strength aluminum alloy middle frame for the chassis, giving the smartwatch a more premium look and feel compared to previous models. The device uses a unibody design to keep the overall profile slim and lightweight. Completing the lineup, the Moonlight Silver variant combines a silver-white frame with a white strap, a combination that Xiaomi says may appeal more to female users. The Watch 6 runs on Xiaomi's HyperOS 3, which is expected to include various smart features such as notification management, smart home control, and potentially support for third-party apps. The Misty Blue version pairs a matte silver frame with a light blue strap, creating a clean and coordinated look. The company claims that the smartwatch can deliver up to 24 days of battery life, although real-world performance may vary depending on usage. While all three share the same aluminum frame, each finish gives the smartwatch a distinct character. The Misty Blue version pairs a matte silver frame with a light blue strap, creating a clean and coordinated look. The price of Redmi Watch 6 around $100.